In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your entire screen using Windows 11 Copilot Vision. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly share your screen, whether you're collaborating on a project, conducting a presentation, or simply showing a friend something interesting on your desktop. Let's get started. First, to begin sharing your screen using Windows 11 Copilot Vision, you'll want to open the Copilot app on your device. This app is central to screen sharing and will facilitate everything you need to do. The Copilot app usually resides in your taskbar or can be found in the Start menu if it's not already open. Take a moment to locate it and double-click to launch the app. Once you're in the Copilot interface, your next task is to look for the glasses icon. This icon is integral to the process as it represents the vision or screen sharing feature. It's typically positioned among the main set of icons present within the app. Identifying this icon is critical because it will guide you to the next steps in setting up your screen share. After locating the glasses icon, you're now ready to choose which window, app, or even your entire desktop that you'd like to share. This choice gives you flexibility depending on the scope of sharing you need. Whether you're focusing on a specific application or need to broadcast your whole desktop, make sure to select the correct option that best suits your needs. It's important to be thoughtful about what you are sharing, especially if you're working with sensitive or private information. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to click on the Share button, then follow up by confirming your choice. This confirmation ensures that you're certain about what you are sharing and provides a safeguard against accidental sharing. This is an important step as it assures you of precisely what content is made visible to others. After you've activated the sharing feature, you will notice a floating toolbar for Copilot Vision appearing on your screen. This toolbar is your control center while screen sharing is active. It allows you to manage your screen sharing session with ease, providing controls to pause, stop, or alter the sharing settings as needed. Familiarize yourself with this toolbar as it's quite useful for efficiently managing your shared content. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to share your entire screen using Windows 11 Copilot Vision. Be sure to take a moment to review what you have chosen to share and take advantage of the toolbar to manage your session as you see fit. This process should make collaborations and presentations on Windows 11 much smoother. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.